moving day. Been officially here for 1 year, and much as I enjoy living this close to the beach, it's a little noisy, a lot of tourists, and I found a place that's a little bit of an upgrade, $30 more a month, 1,000 baht more a month than I was paying here. Still coming in under $300. Got a better gym. I've got an enormous pool, convenience little stores, restaurants right there locally. The beach is still extremely close. I've officially been here for 1 year. Learned a lot. I guess officially I am living in Thailand now. I spend more time in Thailand than I do in the US. Can't spend enough time in Thailand, to tell you the truth. I love it. Hopefully I get my deposit back. I'm cleaning it from top to bottom, and it's gonna look a lot nicer when I move out than it did when I moved in, for sure. Yeah, officially my first year in Thailand is up. So maybe there's a reason to celebrate. That was there when we got here. Catch your own, then this catch your own shrimp thing. So the guy across from us is having a lot of luck. These are pretty big shrimp. He just took a great big shrimp, and I guess he's gonna cook it for us now. Finally got one. Good size.